This is a big tire.
What?
Diane's doing it.
Ow! Okay.
You said you can't come up here.
I can. Okay.
You can't climb that top.
Move, Christian. Move, Christian. You don't jump on. Caleb, move your hands.
Diamond, go down. Diamond, what's on the tire?
I'm too short, Kayla.
You're jump.
You're big.
Climb.
Ow!
Ow! I hurt my leg. Wait, no. I got it.
You stop.
Y'all get away. Move so she can grab on the tire. Get off of it.
What in here? Caleb, Christian, can you go get my shoes from the bottom?
Okay.
Just drop your shoe.
I'm trying to. I can't, Caleb.
I told you. You got farther than I did. I'm telling you that much.
I got it. Thank you. I did it. Thank you.
Wait, was your name Kayla?
Yes.
I have a friend named Kayla.
Oh, really?
Caleb's coming.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off.